again. This is the diesel motor. I forgot to add in the other video, in another video that I shot, the rod cap nut. I was able to retrieve that. I put a magnet in the gallery, and I couldn't fit the magnet in there. So what happened when I went to hoist it up to clean it, to wash it, I sprayed gas up in there to wash it, the old oil and the dirt from the bottom of the base. Well, anyway, I hoisted it up, and then I got looking around for some reason, and I noticed a bolt, because I was wondering what happened to that bolt. Where'd that bolt go? Where could it have gone? Well, I found it on the floor. Then I got looking around at the old pistons and the old caps and started counting bolts. 3 cylinders, 2 bolts per cylinder. Well, do the math. I counted 6 nuts. So, and I counted. In reality, I had 6 counted for. So that worked out pretty good. It came out. I didn't know where it could have gone because there was nowhere for it to go. But it came out nevertheless. Okay, what we're going to do here, I gotta get you a pretty good shot here of what I'm doing. Somehow, maybe and maybe not. Well, let's start with this and see what happens. I hope I have what I want. Almost. Set up fuel. This, right out of the fuel can. I hope the battery's got enough charge in it yet. Ran for quite a while. Okay, that's the supply. It should be filtered. But I know I've got clean fuel here. I know I've got a clean can. Return. Background's the old door. I got a hold of an old door. Parts. You can't even see this thing over there. Look at that grating. Okay, what I'm going to use, the cleanest, the recycled liquid. That's not too bad. Looks pretty clean. I have to drain this completely out. Start it with fresh. I had a bag over it. I don't know where it went. The bag's not even laying here. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Gotta get fresh water started all over, but I don't have enough fresh water, clean water, 100% to do it. And I don't use tap water if I can help it. I have to rig up. 4 minutes already. Take this here. Let's borrow this. This should work. Yeah, something like that. That'll work. This will probably work. Why didn't I think of that before? Now, this has to go in place. This is the fuel cut solenoid that I'm activating. That goes here. I got a good sign. Okay. I'm going to use this little wire right here, jump wire, for the heaters. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Should How about that one? I checked the oil last night when I came in from work already, and it was right on top. This ran yesterday for about 4 or 5 hours, maybe 6 yesterday afternoon. I'm going to assume you can see it what I'm hitting. I haven't completed painting it yet. There's even finishing touches I got to do. I just got anxious. This is a cold start. That pipe I engineered, a friend of mine gave me a little hand with it with the idea. I try to be a little bit courteous to my neighbors. There it is at a distance. Give it a few minutes, I'll give it a little wrap. No circulation yet. Where are we at on time? 8 minutes. Wow.